अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप ऐसे होंगे। जो लोग मेरे चैनल पे न्यू गुजारिश है कि मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक करें। आज हम डाटा प्रोसेसिंग के बारे में पढ़ते हैं। देखते हैं डाटा प्रोसेसिंग क्या होता है। विदाउट डाटा प्रोसेसिंग कंपनीज लिमिट their access of the very data that can hone their competitiveness and deliver critical business insights. That's why it's certain for our companies to understand the necessity of processing all their data and how to go about it. Data processing occurs when data is collected and translated into unstable information. Usually, how to go about it? What is data processing? Data processing occurs when data is collected and translated into unstable information, usually performed by a data scientist or turn of data scientist. It is important for data processing to be done correctly as not to negatively affect the end product of data output. Data processing starts its with data in its raw form and convert it into a more readable format, graphs, documents, etc., giving it the form and context necessary to be interpreted by computer and utilization by an analyze throughout or organization. Six stage of data processing. First, collection data collection. Collection data is the first step in data processing, and data is pulled from available sources including Datastax and data warehouse. It is important that data sources available are thoroughly trustworthy and well built so the data collected and later used as information is of the highest possible quality. Second, data preparation. Once the data is collected, it is then entered the data preparation stage. Data preparation often refers to as pre-processing is the stage at which raw data is cleaned up and organized for the following stage of data processing. Drawing preparation. Raw data is diligently checked for any errors. The purpose of this step is to eliminate bad data, incomplete or incorrect data, and being to create high quality data for the best business intelligence. Third, data input. The clean data is then entered into its destination, whereas a CRM like Salesforce or a data warehouse like Redshift are and translated into a language that it can understand. Data input is the first stage in which raw data being to take the form of usable information for processing. During this stage, the data input to the computer in the various stages is actually processed for interpretation. Process is done using machine learning algorithm. Throughout the process itself may vary slightly depending on the source of data being processed. Data lakes, social network, connected device, etc., and it's intended using examining existing pattern, medical diagnostic from contact device, intermining कस्टमर नीड्स और etc. दोस्तों, आज के लिए इतनी रीडिंग काफी। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप खैर से होंगे। आज की इतनी रीडिंग लगता है आपको मेरी वीडियो की समझ आई होगी। नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज।